Smp An-Najah Gondang mempersembahkan film Outbond 2019 di Suwono Ngrambe.
Get in the car, I'll drive. We got no place to be on time, so let's just enjoy the ride. We can go wherever the road decides, or we can head for the shore, or someplace we've never been before. Just climb in and close the door. We got nothing to answer for, 'cause you belong with me, and I belong with you. You belong with me, and I belong with you. I belong with you. Reach out and take my hand. We got the radio pumping jams. We don't got no map and we don't got plans. We don't gotta follow anyone's demands. Feel the wind blowing in your hair, the sun on your face and a song in the air. We can go as fast as we'll ever dare, until we see tomorrow in the rearview mirror. 'Cause you
Sekolah di Smp An-Najah, asik mantap jiwa. Asik mantap jiwa. Asik mantap jiwa. Outbond Smp An-Najah Gondang, gokil habis. Outbond Smp An-Najah Gondang, gokil habis. Outbond Smp An-Najah Gondang, gokil habis.
get in the car, I'll drive. We got no place to be on time, so let's just enjoy the ride. We can go wherever the road decides, 'cause you belong with me, and I belong with you. You belong with me, and I belong with you. You belong with me, and yeah, I belong with you.
Baby, lay on back and relax. Kick your pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go nowhere fast. Let's enjoy right here where we at. Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? We got nothing but time. As long as you right here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride with me, ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, if it's meant to be.
I don't mean to be so uptight, but my heart's been hurt a couple times by a couple guys that didn't treat me right. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie, 'cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you're made of, boy, make me believe.
Whoa, hold up, girl, don't you know you're beautiful, and it's easy to see.
If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be.
So won't you ride with me, ride with me, see where this thing goes.
If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, if it's meant to be.
So come on, ride with me, ride with me, see where this thing goes. So come on, ride. ride with me, ride with me. Baby, if it's meant to be, maybe we do,
Maybe we don't,
maybe we will, maybe we won't. But if it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. Sing it, baby. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. Let's go. So won't you ride with me, ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, if it's meant to be, if it's meant to be,
it'll be,
it'll be. Baby, if it's meant to be, if it's meant to be,
it'll be,
it'll be. Baby, if it's meant to be.
I've been waiting for you to come back like the summer. That kind of weather just brings me back to you. You the type of love I just can't get a hold of. Say the word and I'll be racing back to you. You went bad, I got mad, I got back at you fast. Wish I could take it back. Is it too late now to take it back? I admit that I was wrong. I should have been you all along. It turns out I can't go on. But the blame's on both of us. Should have been you all along. But we always get it wrong. It turns out it was both of us. 'Cause the blame's on both of us. We were playing games that set us up to lose. And even now I would play those games again. It's a battle feeling, I'm calling the truce. I got my white flag waving high for you, yeah. You went bad, I got mad, I got back at you fast. Wish I could take it back. Is it too late now to take it back? I admit that I was wrong. I should have been you all along. It turns out I can't go on. But the blame's on both of us. Should have been you all along. But we always get it wrong. It turns out it was both of us. 'Cause the blame's on both of us. You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me, I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know if you fall, I will be there. Let's light up like the moon. Yeah, we take it off, make it even brighter. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. Tell me what you gon' do. Know that I want you, you know that. That's what I like about you.
alhamdulillah outbound pada tahun ini berjalan dengan lancar. Semoga kita bisa berjumpa di outbound tahun depan lagi. An-Najah, sukses.
Outbond Smp An-Najah Gondang 2019. Salah.
You're a world away, somewhere in the crowd, in a foreign place. Are you happy now? There's nothing left to say, so I shut my mouth. So won't you tell me, babe, are you happy now? You're the only one who can up and run, leave me just as empty as the day you came. You hold all the cards, all the broken hearts strung over your shoulder till it's all in vain. And only you know the strength in your teeth, the washing the weight of your pockets so deep and lonely. You're a world away, somewhere in the crowd, in a foreign place. Are you happy now? There's nothing left to say, so I shut my mouth. So won't you tell me, babe, are you happy now? Are you happy now? In the palm of your hands, you can make me dance, spin me round in circles till I'm wrapped in string. You keep on talking sweet till your fingers bleed, but don't you dare ask me how I've been. Now only you know the strength in your teeth, the washing the weight of your pockets so deep. Lonely. You're a world away, somewhere in the crowd, in a foreign place. Are you happy now? There's nothing left to say, so I shut my mouth. So won't you tell me, babe, are you happy now? Are you happy now? Somewhere in the crowd, in a foreign place. Are you happy now? There's nothing left to say, so I shut my mouth. So won't you tell me,